it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in Joanne, the Happy Mail Stampers monthly collaboration, which is every Saturday, and we try and upload at noon. The idea is to make something for Happy Mail. So before I get started and show you what I did for this month, I want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So guys, everyone loves shakers, so this month I decided to make a shaker paperclip. How cute is this, guys? I absolutely love it. This is what the back looks like, and this is the front, and I thought it would be fun to create one here with you all. So here's what we need, guys. We need some sort of shape like this, because I'm using a heart, and I'm layering 4 of these together. So I've already glued 4 of them together, and on this one I decided to ink it up, and it's gonna match this pink clip instead of the white. So I inked the edges in that bright pink as well, and you're gonna need a piece of acetate. So you could see I already got mine cut out for the heart, and then you'll need 2 other hearts to secure the backing that covers the clip inside of the thing here, like this one. And then if you want, like I did, I put an extra border around. You're also gonna need some foam tape here and some liquid glue. This is Fabri-Tac because I find that it doesn't bubble so much, but it is very goopy, and I do not like these bottles I got, so I have to squeeze it out and use my finger because it just does not work. So this is, you know, my way of getting this Fabri-Tac glue on here, because I feel like it doesn't ooze out as much as some of the other liquid glues. So I'm just kind of putting the Fabri-Tac on my border of the heart and gonna attach that acetate. You guys can see my acetate is on, and now you gotta put the foam tape on the edge of the heart. And that's what's a little bit challenging, is because I didn't leave myself a big area to put this on, but I'm just gonna cut this very thin in small strips and put this on, guys. And I'm just gonna bend it just to get it around and cut some extra pieces as needed. So when you look at it from the front, as long as you don't see any of that foam tape sticking out, you're good to go. So before I take the backing off, I'm just gonna put in my sequins now, and we are almost done. I wish I could talk more, guys, when I'm crafting with you, but I need such concentration or I'm gonna mess it up. So like this part doesn't take too much thought, but I have a tough time chatting and crafting, so that's why I don't do videos like that, because I just can't function that way. Some people can, some people can't. I really need concentration. So I think that's a good amount, and the reason I didn't take the backing off was because when I did this the first time I did, and as I was putting in my sequins, some got caught on the tape, and obviously we don't want that. So I'm gonna just take the backing off now because I'm happy with the amount of sequins in here. Now I'm gonna grab this heart here, and we're not gonna see the green, so that's why I used what was left of that paper pad, and I'm going to put it with the green out for now, and we're gonna be covering that on up. I'm gonna use my glue gun, which is really gross looking. I need a new glue gun. If you guys like yours, comment down below, because I've not really enjoyed any glue guns that I've gotten so far. So I'm just putting this down here, pushing it down so it holds. And the last step is to put on your other heart here, and then if you so desire, like I did, to put that border around it. So I am going to actually do the border first. I didn't do it first last time, but I think it will be easier to do that first now that I've done it once. So I'm just gonna use my glue stick. So now I got my heart with the border, and I'm gonna use my Fabri-Tac glue, and I'm gonna put this on, and then I'll be right back. So that's it, guys. It's all done. That's the front, that's the back, guys. That's the shaker. So I created 2 really adorable shaker paper clips, and these are perfect to add to any planner, traveler's notebook, anything. You name it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. All right, guys, that is what I did for this month's Happy Mail collaboration hosted by Joanne. Her info is going to be in the description box down below. Don't forget to go by Joanne's channel as well. Please, guys, comment down below. Let me know what you think of my shaker paper clips. And as always, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.